When art, history, and precision collide, you get the Arnold and Son Longitude Titanium 5 degrees West Edition. Inspired by the stormy waters of the North Atlantic and the pioneering spirit of 18th-century marine chronometers, this watch is a modern tribute to British navigation and craftsmanship. First introduced in 2024, the Longitude Titanium marked Arnold and Son's entry into the world of integrated luxury sports watches. For 2025, this 5th W edition arrives with a bold new personality, a dial inspired by the grey, churning waters off Lizard Point, the southernmost tip of Great Britain at 5 degrees west longitude. The 42.5mm case is made from lightweight, Grade 5 titanium, brushed, polished, and shaped with the precision you'd expect from Swiss mastery. But this year, Arnold and Son adds a warm touch, an 18-carat red gold notched ring between the bezel and case band. It's a nod to vintage marine chronometers, adding subtle elegance and contrast to the cool titanium body. The dial, finished in lizard point grey, is vertically brushed with golden indices and open-worked hands coated in superluminova. A power reserve display at 12 o'clock mirrors the rising sun, while the small seconds at 6 o'clock pays homage to John Arnold's original chronometer layout. Its symmetry with substance, beauty backed by history. Powering this maritime masterpiece is the in-house A and S6302, a COSC certified automatic caliber with a 60-hour power reserve. The 22-carat red gold rotor, skeletonized in the shape of a navigational sextant, reminds us of the spirit of exploration that defines the brand's DNA. Limited to just 38 pieces and retails for 25,900 Swiss francs, including VAT, the Longitude Titanium 5 degrees West Edition combines heritage, precision, and bold design, proof that Arnold and Son continues to steer modern horology with a navigator's heart. The Arnold and Son Longitude Titanium 5 degrees West Edition, timeless elegance, guided by history.